meet again. It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shy.
And welcome back to another video, man. That's what you're supposed to dive in.
Welcome back to another video, guys. Welcome back to another
Right,
Black video.
Come on. And welcome back to another video, guys.
And today, as you all see by the title of this video, this young man here will be reacting to my old Facebook
I
pictures.
had to make sure my brain was okay, because you just shook my brain.
So guys, yeah, he's gonna be reacting to my old Facebook pictures, y'all. Like, okay, look, don't come for me in the comment section below because I look rough, okay? I still look rough, but I was rough fuck, okay? Like, God help me. So guys, ugly.
We gonna see who's ugly at the end of this video.
Let me see your pictures.
I ain't got no Facebook pictures.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
We're gonna do his next. But anyways, guys, yeah, he's gonna be reacting to my old Facebook pictures. Yeah, I mean, I don't think I have like a lot of pictures.
You do all of them or
Well, I mean, if
like
you can do a few.
a few?
Yeah, you can do a few, boo.
Right,
I don't think I have a lot. I think I deleted most of them, like, cause you know, I still have my old Facebook page from like when I was in the elementary. I mean, not
Wait, so
elementary.
you from your old Facebook page or your current one right now?
No, old ones.
So you going back to your old Facebook page? So you have like
This
two
the
pages?
same. This the same page.
Oh, the same page.
Yeah, I have the same page.
Oh, I thought
from,
you, I thought you made
years.
like a whole.
Oh no, I didn't make a whole new one.
Okay.
So, yeah, guys, he's gonna be reacting to my pictures. Don't come for me because I will come back for you.
She buffing. All right, man. We're going down in this video, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, comment down below.
Yeah.
Ain't the funny part of this video, guys. It's gonna be funny for real, for real. Cause she gonna get roast.
Shut up. Okay.
But yeah, man. Come back, down to the video, man. You take the show, man. You get tired of
Okay, shut up.
All right, go ahead. Go ahead.
All right,
First
so
picture.
First picture is.
And we're gonna put the picture on top of on the screen. Maybe over here.
Yeah, we're gonna put it here.
Right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, right here.
Okay, they get it. Yeah, shoot. Okay, first picture is.
But you see, you can pick the pictures and stuff, right?
Yes.
Well, I can't pick pictures on this. Go with you. I don't want to.
Because I want to pick the pictures for you. This picture is the first one. Y'all gonna see it right here. He is annoying. What?
I'm telling you, on two here, you have a fake hair and your hair.
I'm gonna knock him out.
Hey yo, I can see you have your hair in the back. Like I say, right here, and this the fake hair, huh?
No, I had a whole sew-in.
That's a fake hair.
But my hair, I didn't have just
It's fake. If you add into your hair, it's fake.
It's real
It don't
hair.
come from your root with their head. It's fake.
But it's real hair.
Not from you.
It's human hair. That's all that matters.
From another person though.
So
if it
so if I bought it, it's my hair.
still fake.
Period.
It's like it's
Period.
still fake.
Period.
It's still fake.
Period.
It's still,
Period.
it's still,
Period.
This ain't too bad, you know. I'm trying to toes you.
No, leave my toes alone.
Hey, we got to
No, we not. No, we not.
Oh, but they didn't have nail salon back them days.
Shut up. You annoying.
Oh, this was like the poor life and stuff, huh?
Shut up. I'm gonna knock him out, y'all.
It's like the same eyes. Eyes ain't. Them eyes ain't going nowhere. Them nose, boy. Them goat nose, boy. Chill out. I mean, it's cool, you know. This ain't too bad, you know. Them toes. I wish I could see my baby, boy. Them toes, boy.
I'm glad you can't.
You got the goat nose. You got the goat toes.
Shut up. Okay, next picture. Okay, I guess I can do this one. Y'all all seen these two people that's in the picture. I don't want to show any pictures with other people in it.
I thought you had a single picture like this. Man, first of all, man, y'all seen, man, what year was this? 2011. Okay, well, I had an iPhone back then. Man, I can't see nothing, man.
You think I could afford an iPhone?
Man, I can tell because you have two different braids in your head. You have two different hair in your head.
How can you tell I got two different hair? All you can see is ponytail.
Man, you ain't got no edges for your hair to be over like this, man. That you install that shit in your head. And then the rest of your ear, you hiding it back there. You hiding the rest of your hair back there.
Y'all, he coming for me in these pictures. Wait until I get his pictures. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get pictures from his grandma.
Hey yo, and shout out to my mom and granny, man. You know, they're the one that made the video. This picture stands out, cause
Shut up, ugly.
you, Your head is small, boy. Why your head is small, but yeah, y'all big ass nose and big ass eyes. How that make sense?
Cause my daddy head is small.
What's this, graduation? No, that ain't graduation.
That's my carnation ball.
Carnation, okay.
Yeah, I was in a carnation ball in middle school. I was called Miss Art. I was going for Miss Sugar Grove.
Okay, Miss Dora. Oh, she like Dora, right?
Yeah. Who?
Dora.
She like Dora. Granny, Javon say you like Dora. Dora the Explorer.
Hey.
Granny, you still the same. My boo still look. Oh, I did have one by myself.
I figured you showed me.
But it's blurry though.
Man, what kind of phone y'all use back then, man?
Babe, we didn't have money to afford no iPhones. I'm pretty sure you ain't have no iPhone either.
No, I didn't.
Okay, exactly.
Man, I don't know what kind of phone I had. Boy, my phone was this small. Big ass, bro.
I think we had a digital camera. I think it was like a camera.
You was skinty.
I've been skinny all my life.
That ain't too bad. Yeah, alright. Y'all probably two different things here.
Shut up. Y'all he hating.
Hey, you say react. I'm giving you a reaction to the pictures.
Alright, this is another one. Y'all, I look like somebody else. Boy, my lips look ashy.
Ooh, what the hell? Girl, you know, what the fuck you got on your lip? What you got on your lip?
Shut up.
Bro, you love this hairstyle, boy. That was a hairstyle back in the gap?
No, that's the only one that I could afford. Thank you very much.
Afford?
Because my cousin did my hair.
Okay.
Even though she didn't charge much.
Them toes busting out them.
Shut up.
Look at the back of them slippers, boy.
Y'all, funny fact is, those are my friends' shoes. Like, we always used to wear each other's.
She's bigger than you?
No. We used to always wear each other's shoes. Like, shoes, clothes.
That's mine.
Shut up.
This was when you cut your hair?
No, I cut my hair.
Y'all, she was red. She was back then. She was so crazy. She cut her own hair. She used to go the razor and just zen.
No, I didn't. Don't believe him.
That's why she went an overlay right on the head right there in that picture.
Bruh. I believe him.
Messed up her old edges.
I never cut my hair like that. Why he lying? All right, this is another one. I need to take a screenshot of these pictures while I'm just showing you so I can put it in the video. This is another picture.
Okay, what's this? You want a date? Oh, this is the phone you use? This is the phone you use to have pictures?
No, that's not the phone I use for the other pictures, Javon. This is high school. The other pictures from middle school.
That phone's smaller in your hand. I'm ready this picture.
This picture
you want this over your head. Like, you just can't, you just can't get rid of it, huh?
Because my forehead is big.
Alright, no comments.
Yeah.
So you had that, so that was an install?
That's all my hair.
No way this all your hair. Ain't no way this all your hair. That's big cat.
I put that right hand on the Bible. That's all my hair.
This little overhead joint.
Right hand on the Bible. That's all my hair.
So this little overhead joint is your hair. Over your eyes right there. That's your hair. And all that little fluffy thing in the back, that's your hair too. No way. No shit.
Right hand on the Bible. Give me one right now. I'll put it on there. That's all my hair.
What kind of pose is that?
I was blowing a kiss.
From your nose too?
It was right here.
I'm touching your nose. You don't be
like right here. Right here.
Don't do that.
That's all my hair, babe.
For real? I guess. God.
My hair's always been like thin, but it don't look thin. But my hair is very thin.
That's no, she capping. The couple pictures before, she said I was human here for somebody else. That ain't your hair. You capping. She big capping. I ain't trying to hear nothing. You capping.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Got a picture.
Didn't I just tell you these pictures are? This one was in middle school. This one's high school, boo.
So the picture you showed the first time, you said, Linda, the picture you showed the first. Go to that picture.
These pictures are from middle school. This picture is middle school.
So that's install, right?
Yes. Some of that is my hair, but it's a sew-in.
So that's sewing install. And about
this is hair
added. She capping right now.
Babe, I'm dead ass. Like, this is hair added, but this is my hair on top of it too to hide the tracks. How the hell you want me to go out and show people my tracks that I ain't?
Cause guys, I'm telling you, she
No, I didn't.
That's why she got the overlay right here.
Don't believe him.
I'm telling y'all, man.
Not believe him.
Why you lying to these people?
You lying to these people.
Let's look at try to find the best picture now.
No, I'm not. That's all.
Tyler getting roast. What's that? Let me see this one. Oh, I see little dimples. That's you here too?
No.
Yeah, I can tell.
That hair is longer than my hair.
I can tell that's an even because it ain't so good right here. I can tell you hiding it right here. The front part right here. Yeah, with a little white curtain joint in it.
He get on my nerves, I swear.
Oh yeah, they signed something back in the day, so show you big money. See? I see you. Oh, you what you did? You went to strip club to get your nails done or something back in the day?
So, you is annoying.
You say it's a reaction, give me a reaction, baby.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna show them when I had cut my hair. When I had my hair cut. So, what year was this? I think it was 2014, 2015. 2015, I cut my hair in like a pixie cut because my hair was like kind of. Shut up. It was like chemically and heat damaged at the ends. So, and then I always used to color my hair like a lot. So I went and I got a haircut. My mama cut my hair, and yeah, this is the picture. I don't know if I got any more other pictures, but I've had pictures in different phones, but it's lost. It's gone.
Picture right here?
Yeah, that's all my hair.
What the hell's going on with your eyebrows?
What you talking about?
Well, them eyebrows.
I had it like this, like.
Them eyebrows like this. He
annoying.
You're not bad. It's alright. Mama looking at you like a real nigga.
Cause I was going to church.
Oh, I wasn't going to church? You trying to match from lip to your dress or something? But you're not bad. It's right here. But you're alright. It's not that bad.
That's how I want to cut my hair now, y'all. I want to cut my hair.
Yeah, she been banging so much for that hair.
I
never seen her really cut hair and pop in that picture, so. Alright, nope. Are we still gonna be together? I don't know. We want
yes,
to see.
we will. Alright, y'all. That's basically all of them. The other ones have other people in it. I don't want to show other people. Okay, so this one is from high school. We was going to a dinner that I was in this college program in high school. They help you go, like, help you apply for college and everything. And this was a dinner, like, to celebrate the end of something. We celebrate something, and we went to dinner. And then this is the picture from dinner.
I don't know which one bigger, the glasses or your forehead.
He get on my nerves. Ooh, this light.
Bro, that guy's head is big as shit, bro.
This light probably hitting my forehead all in the wrong spaces.
Damn, boy, your forehead. That's it right here?
Yes.
That bun on top of your head is right here?
Yes.
You're sure?
Yes.
Okay.
He annoying. Y'all, we're gonna react to his Facebook pictures.
That ain't too bad. That ain't too bad. That's too bad.
Alright, y'all, that's all the pictures that I'm going to show him because it's all of the pictures that I have that's kind of like by myself or that's with someone that y'all have already seen before. So, yeah, I don't want to show any pictures with other people in it because they probably don't want to be seen. You know, they probably want it in different countries, counties, or something. So I don't want them to be like, oh, she know them, so let's go over there and see what, you know.
Not her, not me.
So, yeah, guys, if y'all enjoyed this video and if y'all want me to react to his pictures, either Facebook pictures from his childhood that I'm gonna get from his mama, because I'm gonna get some from his mom, and we're gonna, especially this one picture. Let me see if I can find it. Where is it?
Which one? Which one?
You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, this boy. Yeah, if y'all want to see that picture, comment.
Nah, y'all don't even see that. Y'all don't even see that. They don't even see that.
That boy was airing out. I said, boo, why you got it out like that? Alright, y'all, so if y'all like this video,
I was like 3 or 4 years old. I ain't do that.
That boy had it out. So if y'all like this video, comment in the comment section whatever y'all want to comment, as long as it's positive. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell to be notified when we post another video, and we'll catch y'all in the next one.
You done talking yet? Shit. Alright, guys, make sure you guys have a good day, man. Be safe out there. You guys have a good day. BB Gang, we out. Peace.